Hi, Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 6 Book 1 Video number 25 Page number 19 第19面 Okay, so for last video I give you the formula and I call the formula as the king of formula 对不对？随便你啦，你觉得是就是，你觉得不是就不是 OK, 我自己觉得就 OK 了。And now we turn to page number 19. I'm going to give you another new formula. Oh, sorry, page number 20. Okay, I'm going to give you another formula. And what's the name of this formula? I tell you later 啦，我等一下才告诉你。看罢了啊 ，OK， 看罢了。等一下我讲抄才抄。Start 了没有 ？OK. So the number of mole equal to mv per thousands. This is a formula that I call the king of formula. Formula 之王。Okay, in chemistry 啦。我想用它最多 and this formula I tell you in last video. I taught you in last video. Beside the king of formula, can you tell me who is the queen of formula? 谁是 formula 之后呢 OK, 你用第二多的另外一个 formula. The number of mole is equal to mass per molar mass. Still remember this formula? If you don't know this formula, you must be failed in your exam last time. 不过很久没有考试了哈 Okay, so the number of mole is equal to the mass per molar mass. This is what we call the queens of formula. Okay, formula 之后。So now I want to 搞赢 these two formula. I want to join these two formula together and become a very important formula. 给这两个 formula 搞赢一下，结合起来，变成另外一个很好用的 formula. Okay, but how to join them together? Simple. You see? Number of mole equal to mv per thousand. Number of mole equal to mass per molar mass. 对不对 ？So now number of mole equal to number of mole, I cancel. 我就直接把它 cancel 掉。Okay, or another meaning, I join these two formula together, become a new formula. Mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand, 对不对？它是不是一个新的 formula? Mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand. So this is our new formula. But what is the name of this formula? 这个 formula 叫什么名字呢 ？OK， 我讲了，你不要吓到，你也不要骂人。OK， 这个 formula。Okay, so now you can copy all this on your page number 20. 你把它抄在你的 notes 的第20面的上面 ，small 啦，小小就可以了。Okay, so what is the name of this formula? Mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousands. Okay, so for me myself, I call this as what? 用粉泡药水的 formula. 用药粉泡药水的 formula. Okay, you can copy your Chinese. I cannot write for you 啦，不可以写给你，因为这种东西写出来很 cheap. But in the classroom, sometimes you can hear the students say, "Yo, cheap." Okay, 用药粉泡药水的 formula. And the best, you go back to make your tattoo 啦。Mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand. 把它打度在这边。叶飞他在他的背后写精忠报国，他最后就精忠报国。Okay, and you make a tattoo here. Mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand. 用药粉泡药水的 formula 过后，你真的会泡药水。In your hospital, in your pharmacy, 你真的就会泡药水了。Okay, 没有白读你的 chemistry。Okay, 值得了啦，成绩出来了。Okay, but how to use the formula? So we go to the example in page number 20. 我们用第20面的 example 来了解一下，过后你真的就会泡药水了。Okay, 没有白读你的 chemistry. Remember, all the example here, they will be the real example. 我们讲的东西都是准的，没有玩的，真的能泡水给病人喝，然后给他活起来，救人一命的。Understand? 这就是 chemistry 的精华。Start now, page number 20. So page number 20, we're having 8 example calculations, 8个 example, or to finish all the 8 example, you need 2 formula only. 你需要2个 formula, so you can copy the formula in anywhere. 可能这边你已经抄了东西，对不对？ Or you can move here, 抄在它的下面啦。You need 2 formula only to settle this 8 example. Okay, but who is the formula? 第一 the number of mole equal to mv per thousand, 这个叫 the king of formula. Okay, 第二就是刚才 king and queen 结合变成用药粉泡药水的 formula. Okay, mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousands, and we can start the example now. 现在我们就可以开始它的 example 了。用药粉泡药水的 formula, how to use 怎样用呢 ？Okay, start now. calculation example， 一题一题来哈。OK， 我可能会比较啰嗦，因为我只有一个目标给你明白。很多人会做练习题，他会考试可能拿很多分，不过他不知道拿来做什么的。OK， 我可能考试不厉害，不过我会在医院泡药水救人，这样子罢了。OK， 来了。Calculate the molarity 浓度啦 of a solution that is produced when 2.8 gram of potassium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml water. OK， 太简单了。有 imagine 你自己想象一下，整题准准啊，我们不是玩小孩子游戏啊。OK， so now I having a beaker with 100 cubic cm of water， 我一杯水100 ml 的 water 在里面。And I add 2.8 gram of potassium hydroxide powder inside. 我把 2.8 gram 的 potassium hydroxide 丢进这100 ml 的水里面。I stir. 我搅它。So after I stir the potassium hydroxide, it will dissolve into the water very fast. 它很快的溶解在水里面。And now the new solution, 它新的那个溶液产生的那个新溶液 ，how is the molarity? 它的浓度是多少呢 ？OK， 用粉泡水。就用泡水的 formula。Where is the formula？ 把它打嘟在你的左手。我讲笑话千万不可以啊，被警察捉去啊，被妈咪骂啊，妈咪会很失望啊。OK，so mass，OK， 那 mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand. Mass, how much you add? 2.8 gram potassium hydroxide. Molar mass, what is the molar mass of the potassium hydroxide? You calculate yourself 啦。OK， 那这边会给你的 potassium hydroxide， 对不对 ？So after you add them together， 全部加在一起呢 ，56。And for here I give you the molar mass because I want to make your calculation faster。你自己知道它将来就 OK 了。OK，so mass 2.8。OK，molar mass 56。molarity don't know，molarity 不知道。OK，volume 100。per cubic per thousand 就是那个 volume 一定是 cubic cm 的 ，so volume 100 per thousands。OK， so now you know all the variable， 这些变数呢你已经能填完了 ，except molarity 啦，除了这个浓度以外 ，and just using a mathematic move there 啦 ，move there 啦 ，move here and move there 啦，搬来搬去啦。So I'm not teaching mathematics here， 我这边没有教你 mathematics 啦。So with the formula and fill in the blank only 啦，然后填它的 formula。You get answer molarity， 对不对 ？So after the calculation， 答案出炉了啦。OK，so mass per molar mass per molar mass 2.8除56 equal to mv per thousand。So after the calculation， 这个搬上去，这个搬下来，对不对 ？After the calculator， 出力，答案0.5 mol per cubic dm，0.5 mol per cubic dm。OK，so 用粉泡水就用这种 formula。OK，and the answer actually accurate， 它的答案是准的，不是玩的 ，100% 可以用的。OK，next 下一个 example。What is the mass of sodium hydroxide？ 白色一种粉来的。OK，in 50 ml in 50 cubic cm of 0.2 mol per cubic dm of sodium hydroxide solutions。OK，what is the meaning？ 什么意思呢？I try to make it become the real example 啦。现场在医院里面，我们在泡药水。OK，so one day suddenly in the ICU，you know ICU， or suddenly in the emergency room， 在那个紧急部门。OK，emergency。OK，and your doctor， 你的 doctor，you are doctor，but you must having a big doctor in front of you。你的上面你的阿头啊，很大 doctor。So your doctor say hello。You， 你是新来啊，你第一天来做工啊。OK，you prepare sodium hydroxide 0.2 mol per cubic dm 50 cubic cm for me。你去泡一杯的 sodium hydroxide 0.2 mol per cubic dm 50 cubic cm for me。快点去泡，浓度0.2 mol per cubic dm 50 ml， 我马上要用 now。And for the first day in the hospital， 第一天在 hospital， 这样泡。0.2 mol per cubic dm 它要50 ml， 然后这样泡 ，OK， 这样泡啊，我教你啊，那 prepare a beaker and pour some water inside， 准备一个 beaker， 倒一些水下去 ，and add some sodium hydroxide powder and stir， 搅几下，它就好了。But the problem is here， 要放多少的水，要放多少的 powder and the concentration will be 0.2 mol per cubic cm， 然后它的浓度准 0.2。Or remember now in the hospital if you make the wrong concentration nobody know you know， 因为没有一种科学仪器可以量浓度的你泡错，那个人喝下去当场吐白泡，然后当场死给你看，然后亲戚朋友都来了，然后大家都看着你，其实他也不知道是你泡错。What to do？ 那 look at your tattoo， 看着你的左手 ，mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand。mass 你要放多少的 sodium hydroxide？ 达到？不知道。molar mass sodium hydroxide 的 molar mass 40 gram， 40， 对不对？Molarity Doctor 要 0.2， 为什么他知道 0.2？ Experience 经验 OK Volume 是多少呢？ Volume Doctor 150， 他要50 per thousand 在 per thousand So with the formula 用药粉泡药水的 formula I know the name is cheap 了，我喜欢，我就喜欢这样子 cheap 的，只要会泡水救人 cheap 又有什么关系呢 OK So with the formula I just replace a number calculator answer 啦So 数学的我没有兴趣了，我直接开答案给你。So answer 0.4 gram。等一下你代替它的 number， 你自己代替的啊，你自己搬来搬去 ，and finally you get the answer 了 0.4 gram。So 量 0.4 gram， 然后用你的 measuring cylinder 量50 ml 的水倒下去，粉丢下去，搅几下。OK。But maybe you think 我是 doctor 我今天毕业，我昨天毕业，今天来做医生的 doctor。叫我泡水，我是 doctor， 新的 doctor 叫你洗厕所，你都要洗，叫你48小时不可以回家，坐在那边 OK 做工，你也必须这样子做。doctor 就是特别的，他们不是普通人来的 OK 最强的一种人了的 OK next another example 下一题休息一下。Calculate the volume of the magnesium chloride solution. OK， 一种药水，来叫什么？可能头痛用的，我乱讲呢。Which can be prepared by dissolving 4.75 gram of magnesium chloride in water to produce 0.5 mol per cubic cm of solutions. OK, how to make this example into the real example in our life？ 怎样把它变成一个现实生活能用的 example 呢？ Okay, maybe today you are the worker inside the clinic 啦。你今天可能是诊所里面的一个小职员。You're having your intern， 你在做实习啦。Okay, and during the MCO, there's no business， 没有人来看医生，对不对 ？So 没有生意，医生在诊所里面走来走去。Okay， 他好像很无奈的样子啦。And suddenly he say， 来，你来。Okay， 那。In the bottle, it contains 4.75 gram of magnesium chloride. 这个罐子里面有一点点剩下的 magnesium chloride 粉，不要浪费。So now you go to make some solution. 现在呢，你去把它泡成药水 ，0.5 mol per cubic cm 的 solutions。那个药水的浓度要 0.5 mol per cubic cm， 然后装成一罐一罐，排好 label 好，反正你吃饱没事做，对不对 ？OK，but你要倒多少的水下去？倒在 4.75 gram 的 magnesium chloride powder， 最后它的药水就是浓度 0.5 mol per cubic cm。所以用粉泡药水就是你的打度，左手边 mass per molar mass equal to mv per thousand。有人真的做打度出来的吗？我看过，他用 pen 写罢了，我要擦掉，用口水。男孩子啦，肮脏鬼来了。OK。So yes， so 你到底要倒多少的水在 4.75 gram of magnesium chloride to make the solution 0.5 mol per cubic cm， 然后把它装成一罐一罐呢 ？OK，mass 4.75 molar mass of the magnesium chloride 95， 自己算了。OK。Molarity 0.5 Doctor 指定 0.5 Volume 达到不知道要倒多少的水下去 Per thousand still per thousand OK So with this formula you know how useful is this formula 在医院里面在诊所里面就泡了很多药水一罐一罐病人生或者是就靠你了靠你有没有乱泡水 So 小心啊 Cammy 就是要负责任的。So after the calculation, the answer will be 100 ml 啦。Okay, so for the mathematics part, they place a number. Calculator, 你自己去做好吗 ？Okay, 我没有什么兴趣了。Yes. Okay, we're still having another 4 example, so why not we using others video to finish another 4 example? Otherwise, the video will be too long. Okay, 不可以长长的，只有一点小错误，整个 video 就丢掉。我会在房间里面一直哭着的 studio， 一直流眼泪，浪费时间。Okay, bye bye. Continue in another new video. 谢谢你。